Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade options on Etrade. To begin, you must first ensure your Etrade account is approved for options trading. This typically involves navigating to the Accounts section and selecting Options Trading to apply. You will need to agree to the Options Trading Agreement and disclosures, which outline the risks involved. Etrade offers various options approval levels, from basic covered calls to more complex strategies. Once approved, you can begin researching potential trades. Trade Power Trade platform offers robust tools for this. Navigate to the options chain for a specific stock to view available contracts, including strike prices, expiration dates, and current bid-ask spreads. Pay close attention to implied volatility and open interest, as these metrics can provide valuable insights into market sentiment and liquidity for various options contracts. When you are ready to place a trade, select your desired option contract directly from the options chain. This will typically pre-fill the order entry ticket. You will then choose your order type. A limit order is often recommended for options to control your entry or exit price. Specify the number of contracts you wish to trade and your desired price. Always review all order details carefully before submitting your trade for execution. After placing your order, it is crucial to monitor your open options positions regularly through your Trade portfolio. You can track your profit and loss in real time, which helps you assess the performance of your trades. When you decide to exit a position, you will place an opposing order. For example, if you bought a call, you would sell it to close the position, locking in any gains or limiting potential losses.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.